I know at least I am starving. I'm over here withering away to nothing.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. It's supposed to be on you.
Okay, go.
Hey guys, it's Nicole. Totally lost my voice.
I have no voice.
So I'm gonna dub over. What's up? Hey guys, we're driving today. My name's Nicole.
You guys, this is the worst.
You guys, this is the worst.
I have to whisper everything. Just tell him what we're doing.
We're driving.
Come on, tell him what the plan is.
The plan is we're driving to Vegas, but it's a pretty long drive, so along the way we're stopping at some thrift stores, a couple of them, like 6 of them, planned out I guess. That's the idea, if not hit more on the way back, or closer to Vegas, but that's the plan. We got about 8 hours ahead of us of driving, so we'll see.
How long do you think it'll be before I get my voice back?
Hopefully 12 years.
He said it's the best thing that's ever happened to him because I can't talk loud.
You can't scream.
Well, like
and yell.
usually when people lose their voice, ooh, I kind of got it back a little. Usually when people lose their voice, is it like a couple days?
I feel it's like a day or two, yeah.
Okay, well, all day yesterday I didn't have a voice. And then today, obviously, so.
But she still
hopefully-
uses talk to text for some reason.
I whisper into it. Okay, so hopefully tomorrow I'll have my voice back. We have some fun things planned in Vegas, and I'm so excited.
It's cool seeing the cows in the snow and stuff.
Oh, are they cold?
No! First of all, they've been in snow for thousands of years.
They're snow cows.
They're just cows.
I knew you were gonna say
Live
that.
outside. Are those little Kievs?
We just got to the hotel. My voice is really not much better at all. Sucks. My cutie baby. Isn't that so cute? I got this from TJ Maxx, I think. It's Calpac brand. So cute.
Well, I'm not gonna worry about it right now.
Do you want me to get that bag in the back seat? Are we bringing the ice chest or no?
No.
I do want to get a water at least. Ooh, it's cute. Full-length mirror. Well, kind of a full-length mirror. Ooh-cha, ooh-cha.
Kinda, yeah. That's cool. Oh,
That's sick. That hot pink little chair. This is so sick.
I mean,
Oh yeah.
That's a lot for a liquor mini.
That's so sick. Look at the shower. Dude, this is awesome. All right, we're gonna go food. Outfit is just chill. Yogas. He had to match me.
First of all,
Copycat.
I brought this hat before you brought that jacket.
How? We both ended up here at the same time.
Purchased it before you purchased
Whatever. All right, we're gonna go eat. Good morning, you guys. Voice is still not the best, but at least I can somewhat talk. Yesterday I was pretty much strictly whispering, which was so annoying. We just woke up. Carlos went to go get coffee, and I am getting ready because we're gonna go get some breakfast. Last night we had dinner at this ramen place in our hotel. We're staying at the Palms, by the way, and we got the most delicious food in the world. I think I showed you guys a little clip, but yeah, today we really don't have plans until tonight, so I think we're just gonna go get breakfast or brunch or whatever and then go shopping. So I'm gonna finish getting ready before this dries under my eyes, and I'll see you guys later. Okay, my outfit for today is as follows. Of course, checkered Vans, black Rockstar jeans from Old Navy, this little peplum, I believe it's from Forever 21, it's super old, and then this jacket from, I know I have one just like it from Walmart that I always show, but this one is from Old Navy as well. It's just the only difference is that there's silver detailing instead of like that like gold, like tarnished type of hardware. So that's it, and then I just braided my hair.
Oh, it's not? Oh, dude, looks like a balloon.
That's crazy.
I was like, I wonder how often they have to replace him. She said, that's so cool.
We're gonna go to Mandalay Bay to look at the aquarium. We're just waiting for our Uber, so. Carlos and I are going out to dinner tonight. And then after dinner, we are going to a show, Opium. I don't know if any of you guys have ever seen it, but I honestly have no idea what it is, but I'm excited. I have been in this makeup all day. I'm about to wash it off and start again. Have all of my makeup here, and then I'm gonna do my hair as well, because look at this. We are a hot mess. But first, I'm gonna go get my drink, because this might be a little bit of a tipsy get ready with me. So this is a margarita. This is a big ass shot of tequila. And then we have Diet Coke as a chaser because I'm a big old puss. These towelettes are perfect for travel. They're dry, but they already have like face wash on it. So all you do is get it wet and scrub it together and then take off all your makeup. So, do I wash the face first or take the shot first? Shot. So let's do that. So the first step is hydrating my skin. Moisturizer. This does have SPF and it's nighttime, but it's all I have, so. I brought my Carly Bible palette as well as the Tarte Maneater. We are staying at the Palms and we wanted to go to the aquarium at Mandalay Bay earlier. So we went and the line was so long, like it was unreal long. But we waited and we got like 30 minutes in, and then we saw a sign that says you can book your tickets online and go wait in a shorter line. So Carlos logged on, got tickets, and we went to go redeem them, and they said, oh, you bought them for the wrong day. And we're like, oh, fuck. So we're like, can we either like get our money back or transfer them to today? And she's like, yeah, you have to go wait in that line. I was like, we were just in that line for 30 minutes and we're probably still another like 20 away from like the ticket window. So we already got out of line, we lost our spot, and they were like, nope, sorry, nothing we can do. You have to go back and stand in line. I looked at that line and it was twice as long as it was to begin with. So I could have literally, I'm not even gonna say it. I was so mad. I was like, we can't just swap for today? I was like, well then can we get our money back for the ticket? She's like, you have to call this number or go wait in that line to get your money back. They mean to tell me she couldn't have just helped us. Like, that was so rude. Mandalay Bay can kiss my ass. I'm so mad. So we have to wait till tomorrow and call, or like go wait in line again. I'm not stepping foot in Mandalay Bay. Like I said, they can kiss my ass. So we're gonna call tomorrow and get our money back. It's such bullshit. I'm going in with this man-eater palette and going in with that middle matte shade. This is a Jeffree Star and Morphe JS5 brush. I'm going in with the color Chai, which is that one right there from the Carly Bible palette. Then I'm going in with this matte brown shade here in the outer corner. And I'm going to put that in like the outer part of my eye. And then I'm gonna go in with Moo, which is a shimmery like gold with my finger, and look how pretty that is. And I'm gonna go on my lid with that. I'm taking the black from the Man-Eater palette with this little like liner brush and gonna line the outer, probably like a third of my lash line. And then for foundation, as usual, the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and mine's in the color L in 3. I'm gonna set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I got this tiny one from an Allure like beauty box subscription, and I love it for traveling. Okay, for bronzer, I'm using the e.l.f. bronzer. This is the Forever Sun-Kissed matte bronzer. And then for blush, the Maybelline Fit Me blush in Coral. I am highlighting with the Milani Day Glow number 2. Beautiful highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows with the IT Cosmetics brow pencil, my lashes with the Wet n Wild waterproof mascara, and then I will be right back. Okay, so this has honestly been my favorite hairstyle lately. You just have to wear your hair in French braids for a while, and then undo them. Dry shampoo, even if it's not greasy, it just adds more volume. And then don't brush it out yet. You're gonna add some hairspray. Once you add hairspray, you're gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes until it completely dries, and then I'll show you what I do next. But I think I might go, depending on what time it is, I might go get dressed, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I take these little crimpies and I gently brush them out. And then I'm just gonna do like a half up kind of hairdo here. And then I do one more round of hairspray. Okay, this is my outfit of the night. I'm just wearing a bodysuit, some high-waisted jeans, this belt. It's irritating because you can kind of see that zipper, but whatever. And then these shoes that, honestly, that's the brand. That's the brand. I don't even know where I got these from, but they're wild and they're perfect for Vegas. I want to say I got them from Boohoo. And then I'm just wearing a big fluffy black jacket.
Appreciate your patience. Thank you for flying with us.
How are you?
Good, how you doing?
You're gonna see Range on the first side with the blonde hair. Enjoy. How are you? How are you?
It's a video.
Oh, damn, we were posing.
This is your captain speaking on behalf of the crew of the Starship OBM-73. Welcome to space, motherfuckers! Ladies, gentlemen, and everyone in between, it is my pleasure to welcome each and every one of you on board this transorbital journey all the way from Uranus to Las Vegas!
Drifting as I do.
It is the next morning and we're on our way to 7 Magic Mountains. I'm so excited. Brought the drone. We're gonna get some drone footage, hopefully. Hopefully there's no Debbie Downers out there, you know? We might have to like put it up, like far away and then come in so there's no dust everywhere.
Yeah.
Might ruin Susan's fit pic for the Instagram.
Am I Susan?
No,
Oh,
just somebody that I know will complain.
like you.
Yep. Alright guys, we are here. How cute are these little buggers?
So Nicole's voice is gone, so your boy's taking over. Carlos and Kicks. Go follow. Best gram in the game. Way better than Nicole's. Also follow Crumbs by Nicole. Go follow that on IG. We are at the mountain place. Colorful magic things. Those things. Okay.
Alright, we got some good drone footage, as you probably already saw. And we're headed now to go get some food, because I know at least I am starving. I'm over here withering away to nothing. There's literally 5 million people here. I think I got some good pics too. But yeah, we're gonna go get some food.